Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any sign up, watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First open VeoAIFree.com. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Here you can access AI video generation, image generation with Veo 3.1 model, and image to video generation as well. For this video, I'll go with video generation and click on AI video generation from text. A new workspace will open. Here you can generate videos, images, and prompts. The video option is already selected. Below, select the aspect ratio and video quality as well. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into VeoAIFree and finally hit the generate button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can log in to VeoAIFree using your personal email address, Google account, or Twitter account, or you can continue without logging in or signing in. It's completely up to you. This free tool, VeoAIFree, gives you 2 free generations on a daily basis. Once your generation limit is reached, simply use another browser or continue without logging in or log in again. It's completely up to you. This way, you can get more free generations and generate as many videos as you want until this tool becomes paid. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. A free AI video with VeoAIFree has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any sign up, watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Also let me know in the comments below if this free tool helped you generate your video content or not. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.